off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor
said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
4 silly monkeys eating on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. I know it's a big boo-boo, huh? Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 3 silly monkeys swinging on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 2 silly monkeys sliding on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." That's right, 1 silly monkey spinning on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor
said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Yay, but nobody mentioned anything about
A jumping on the couch.
That's right.
No, do it some more.
Okay, more?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to sing Happy Birthday to Grumpy?
Happy birthday.
Okay, let's sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grumpy.
Happy birthday to you.
You want to sing Monkeys Jumping on the Bed again?
Yeah.
Okay. 8 silly monkeys jumping on the bed.
2.
1 fell.
Little guy. Are you a baseball player or a pirate? Huh?
Who's a pirate?
Trevor, what are you?
Who's the scary pirate?
Are you a baseball player or a pirate? And you, Mr. Pirate, what are you? A baseball player or a pirate?
Pirate.
What's your name?
Pirate.
What's your pirate name? You have a pirate name? Here. Do you have a baseball name? Watch out! Watch out! The firefighters are here. Huh? What's going on?
Don't get me wet. I'm okay. I'm safe.
Watch out, Grammy. Say, watch out, Grammy.
Watch out, Grammy.
We're coming.
We're coming.
The firefighters are coming.